Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Quadro Ytron inline homogenizing mixer, which features a powder disbursement hopper, and we're going to just close that for you right now, just to demonstrate. This is the powder control. You can hear the suction. And it does change the water flow slightly. The system is using a Waukesha 30 pump with mechanical seals. Inside the Quadro mill, of course, is your rotor stator arrangement. Constant liquid feed through the system. All the seals are purged. We're not running that right now. You'll find this on our website under our mixers and then the subset homogenizing. The pump is running through an AC frequency controller by AC Tech. And of course the mill running directly driven as it should be. And that's the flow when you shut the mill off, which will have some improvement to the pumping action. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.